to thread one of the ergonomic Lavor punch needles. The ergonomic Lavor punch needles come with this wider handle, which some people do find more comfortable to punch with. These needles come in two widths. They come in the 4mm or in the 5.5mm. In the box you should have the punch needle and a plastic threader. No matter which the width is of the needle that you have, they are both threaded in the same way. The needle has 7 different adjustment settings so that you can make 7 different loop heights. You adjust it by turning the needle, sliding it out of the setting, moving the handle back down and turning it so that it clicks into place. And what you're looking for is to line up this small indented triangle with the slots on the needle. These needles also come with a plastic threader. These threaders tend to last a little bit longer than the wire threaders and can be bought separately. To thread this punch needle, we're going to come up to the folded end of the threader. We're going to give it a little pinch, come into the back of the punch needle, place that through the eye and then down the channel. You want the threader to go all the way through and out the bottom of the punch needle, where it will then open up. You're going to pass the yarn through the bottom of the threader and then draw it up by the needle tip. At the top you're aiming to pull your threader down through the eye in the needle and then remove your threader. And that is your ergonomic Lavor punch needle threaded. You want to ensure that the yarn moves smoothly through the needle and then pull it back at the bottom so that you just have a small tail extending from the needle tip before you start to punch.